Hello, my friends. How have you been? Are you ready to wrap up winter with some news and market updates? Let's dive in and watch my latest episode. The S&P 500 was lower on Wednesday, pulling back from a record reached in the previous session as Nvidia cooled off from its red-hot rally. Nasdaq Composite lost 0.54% to 16,177.77. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 37.83 points to finish the session at 39,043.32. Nvidia shares were down 1.1%. Shares of Meta Platforms slipped 0.8% and Apple fell about 1.2%. Wall Street is coming off a winning session, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq popping more than 1% on Tuesday, after February U.S. inflation data came in about in line with expectations. Core inflation, which strips out food and energy from the headline reading, increased more than expected last month. IBM is cutting its staff size, the company told employees in its marketing and communications division. IBM Chief Communications Officer Jonathan Adashek led the roughly 7-minute video meeting where the announcement was made, according to a person with knowledge of the matter. Some of Boeing's top buyers are starting to feel the effects of its latest MAX crisis. Southwest Airlines, which only flies Boeing 737s, and other Boeing heavy airlines, Alaska Airlines and United Airlines all said they are impacted by the late arriving aircraft, causing them to rethink their growth plans for the year. All right, folks, let's take a look at the SPY chart. SPY continues to reach new all-time highs every week. However, the ERSI is approaching overbought levels, and there is a slight divergence between price and RSI. This suggests a potential correction for SPY, though I don't anticipate it being too severe. On the 4-hour chart, as you can observe, the red trend line has been effectively preventing the price from moving lower and has established a solid support. Should there be any correction, the $475 level is expected to act as a strong support. Here is the Nasdaq chart. As you can see, it reached an all-time high last week and is now trading around the previous high from November 2021. We can anticipate strong resistance at this level. Similar to SEP, I also notice a bearish divergence on the Nasdaq chart between price and RSI. Therefore, a correction could occur soon, although I don't expect it to be too severe. Here is the Dow Jones chart. The Dow has broken out of that large triangle pattern and has also surpassed the previous high indicated by the yellow line, showing significant strength. Similar to the other indices, I observe a bearish divergence between price and RSI on the Dow chart, indicating a potential correction. All right, everyone, here's the Bitcoin chart update. BTC has reached a new all-time high today, hovering around $73,600. Congratulations to those who joined us in buying back in March 2023, enjoying nearly 300% profit. Now, what's next? Well, if you look at the weekly chart, Bitcoin has broken past its previous high, leaving room for further growth. The next potential target could be around $120,000. As you may know, the next halving is scheduled for May, just about 2 months away, After this event, Bitcoin's supply will decrease once again. If it manages to break the $120,000 level, which I predicted in the Bitcoin episode back in March 2023, anticipating it to happen by the end of 2024, then $160,000 and $180,000 could be the next targets. However, please note that these are all speculative ideas, and there's always the possibility of being wrong. Hey amigos, Ethereum chart update. Ethereum is still trading below its previous all-time high. The next target would be $4,800, which was the last all-time high. Following that, $8,500 will be the next target. If it manages to surpass that level, which I believe will happen by the end of 2024, the next target will be $11,500, and in the best case scenario, around $13,000 in 2025. However, as I always mention, the crypto market is highly volatile, and this path may not be smooth. All right, everyone, that wraps up my latest market and cryptocurrency review. Wishing you all a fantastic spring, and I'll see you next time.